fam, it's Nishka and welcome to Myntra's YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you all. It's a Myntra Beauty haul and I'm going to show you so many of my top picks from Myntra. I have quite a few makeup products and it has all of my top picks, so stay tuned because I'm going to talk all about it. Also, I have all the links in the description for these products, so check them out. Okay, let's get started with the video. First, I have these two concealer options with me. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's a multi-use concealer and I'm just gonna swatch it. It comes with this cushion tip. It's a little dirty because I just used it, and as you can see, I've done my whole base with this concealer and it looks really radiant and it has a very creamy finish. It glides on very smoothly. The shade that I use is 130 medium. It gives a very radiant finish and it gives a medium coverage. Second one that I have is this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This one is so good. It's again so unique. Okay, this one has full coverage. It's very thick and creamy and you just need the tiniest bit of it. It's full coverage, as you can see. Yeah, it's very thick, it's very creamy, so make sure if you use this one, you really need to moisturize your skin really well before you use it, but it's a very nice option if you want full coverage. Next is this MAC's Strobe Cream. This is what it looks like. This is the small version of it. You can also get a big tube of this. This is in the shade Pink Light. Now this gives such a dewy, radiant finish to your skin. I am wearing it currently and you can see the glow that it is giving. So you can use this product as a primer before you put on makeup, and you can also use this as a highlighter as I have done right here. The particles in this one is so finely milled and it is such a fine texture and it gives such a nice shine to your skin, as you can see. I cannot stop looking at it. So definitely I highly recommend this for everyone to have in their makeup kit, and you can definitely check out the link for this product in the description. Since we're talking about the base products, I have this another product with me. It's a BB cream and this one is from Kiko. It's their Daily Protection BB cream and it has SPF 30 in it. This cream has literally replaced my foundation. I am so happy that I found this one. It's literally an underrated gem. This product is so smooth, it's easily blendable and it has a sheer to medium coverage which is buildable, and it's like a very lightweight consistency and it looks like a second skin. It's literally a win-win product and I highly recommend it to you guys. Okay, let's talk about blush, and for the blush I have Sugar's Contour de Force Mini Blush, and this is in the shade Peach Please. It's so creamy and I have used it right now as well. It goes with so many of my makeup looks. I love how it looks so subtle, yet it gives this really pink flush to my cheeks, and yeah, it's just a very buttery smooth formula. It's so subtle yet so pretty. For the eyeliner, I have two recommendations and both are from Lakme. One is the Absolute Shine Line and one is the Iconic eyeliner. Now these two are my ultimate favorite liners and both are liquid liners and they are amazing. They have such a nice payoff color and they're very black. They both are very affordable, and I'll just swatch it for you guys. This one is the Absolute Shine Line. Such a beautiful liner. And then we have the Iconic one. This one is the Iconic, this one is the Shine, Absolute Shine Line. Both of them are really black, intense and really affordable. Maybelline has launched their new mascara and I'm all eyes for it. This is what the mascara looks like. It's called a Sky High Mascara and this is what the wand looks like. So I'm wearing it right now. Let me just pull the camera closer and so that you can see. As you can see, it provides such a length and beautiful finish to my lashes. It gives volume. It's really beautiful. So it does not clump up my lashes as well. So it's really amazing if you want length, volume and unclumpy lashes. Okay, then I have some lipsticks for the fall season, and two of them, like both of them, are from MAC, and one is in the shade Ruby Woo, which I am sure everybody knows. It is a beautiful red color, perfect for Christmas, New Year. It's a deep red and it's a blue toned red. I will swatch it for you guys. Yeah, it's a beautiful red color. Then we have the shade Meher, and this one is a mid-tone blue tone pink. Again, a very pretty shade. Oh my god, so pretty. I have mixed these two right now and they are on my lips, and you can definitely check out these products from the links that are in the description. Okay, lastly I have a perfume recommendation. This one is Jimmy Choo, and look at the bottle. Let's just appreciate the bottle first. And this one to me smells expensive. It smells yummy. It smells sweet and feminine, and oh my god, it has this patchouli and it has a hint of toffee note in it, and it just smells incredibly good, and it lasts forever on my body and my skin, and it's a must have in my collection. It's literally my second bottle of this perfume. Okay, that was it for my haul, and I hope you guys like these products, and if you did, please go and check the description box because all of these products are linked there. Don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel so that you can stay aware of the latest trends in fashion, lifestyle and beauty. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you the next time.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.